Hi guys, this is Monica and this is Aditi. Welcome back to our channel.
No comments. No comments.
What's the matter to discuss now?
We are being so demotivated guys today. So
I'm getting suicidal thoughts.
ಇದೊಂದು ಬದುಕಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಜನ್ಮವೇ ಎಂತಹ ದುರ್ವಿಧಿ.
ignore.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
So to get motivation we are vlogging today. So what we'll be doing today?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೌನಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
And to present it, so we'll be productive today. It is Monday motivation.
ಅರೆ ಮೇರಿ ಲಡ್ಕಿ ನಿನ್ನಂತರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರ?
We've been to commercial street day before yesterday. We ate ice cream, we ate biryani.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ
And then
No, nothing to speak today because we are demotivated.
yeah, it's okay.
ನನಗಂತೂ ಈ ಜೀವನವೇ ಬೇಸರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
We'll come back tomorrow with full of motivation.
Full of energy.
Yes.
ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
That's it for today. Bye guys.
ಈ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೀ ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಕಾಣೆ.